Question number 6. What is that? Is in integral of what we have? 4 e power of it is 4 e power of 3x plus 1 times of dx we have. To integrate this one, so what can be done over here? So 4 is a constant, we'll take it outside, apply the integral. So we'll be getting integral of e power of 3x into dx. Again, apply the integral for this one, integral 1 into dx plus this plus as it is integral of 1 times of dx is just dx, right? So if that is the case, let us try to integrate this one, which will be equals to, that is 4 times of integration of e power of 3x will be what? E power of 3x, e power of 3x, what else? Divided by 3 plus integral of dx x plus the constant of integration c. That's the required solution you have, right? Integration of x square 1 minus 1 by x square into dx, right? Now let us try to integrate it. First, we'll try to multiply that x square inside. Let us try to multiply that x square inside. We'll multiply x square inside. What will be getting? X square into 1. That multiplication has to be done over here. So this will be equals to integral of, let us multiply this x square into 1 will become x square minus, again this x square has to be multiplied inside, x square into this 1 by x square. The multiplication is over. Just taking that x square inside into this dx will remain as it is. Are you getting it? So just cancel out this x square and x square. So what you'll be getting? Integral of this is x square minus what? Minus 1 into dx. This will be equals to, now let us apply the integral separately. Integral of x square into dx. First term, integral of x square into dx. Again, minus, you apply the integral 1 into dx, that is integral of dx. Are you understanding this multiplication? Now we'll try to integrate. So what is the integral of x square? Okay, x cube by 3 minus integral of dx is what? X plus the constant of integration c, right? Let us move on to the next question. Integral of what you have? Dx square plus bx plus c into dx. This will be equals to, I'll try to apply the integral for each of the term, just taking that constants a, b and c outside. First term, if I apply the integral, a is a constant, I'll take a outside. You'll be getting integral of x square into dx. Now apply the integral for the second term. In the second term, b is a constant, I'll take b outside. It is integral of what? X into dx plus. And the last term c is a constant, I'll take that c outside. You have integral of just dx, right? Or this will be equals to a into integral of x square will be what? X cube by 3. So it will be x cube by 3 plus b into x, integral of x will be what? Yes, it will be x square by 2 plus c into integral of dx is what? X, right? Plus the constant of integration c. But constant of integration c is already there, right? Then what will you do for the constant of integration? If c is already there, what to add? Just put it as c dash, some constant you have to add, no? To c1 or c dash, something you can put it there. Constant of integration, because c is already utilized there. Just avoid repeating that one. So this will be a required solution. For the next question, integral of 2x square plus e power of x into dx. Again, 2 is a constant. Apply the integral. For x square, you'll be getting x square into dx. Again, apply the integral for e power of x. It will be integral of e power of x into dx. So 2 as it is. What is integral of x square? X cube by 3 What is integral of e power of x? E power of x itself plus the constant of integration c. Next question, it is integral of root of x minus 1 by root of x to the power of 2 into dx, which is equals. I can go ahead and use this formula of a minus of b whole square. Minus of b whole square will be a square plus b square minus of 2ab. Just using this basic formula over here. So this will be your a value. This will be your b value. So let us use the formula a square, that is root of x whole square. A square plus b square. It will be 1 by root of x. So 1 by root of x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a. A value is what? Root x into b value. B value is what? 1 by root of x. So a square plus b square minus 2a into b times of this dx. Or further, if you try to rewrite this one, it is integral of the square and root will get cancelled. You'll just be getting x plus. Here also the square and root will get cancelled. You'll just be getting by x. Here what happens? Root x will cancel out. What will be left out there? Just minus of 2, right? Times of dx you have. Now just open the bracket and apply the integral for each of the terms. So this will be equals to, so apply the integral for the first term. It is integral of x into dx. X dx plus, again apply the integral for the second term. It is integral of 1 by x into dx. Then here, apply the integral for this. However, minus 2 is a constant. I'll take it outside. So I have to apply the integral only for dx. That is integral of dx. Are you getting this one? Now let us try to integrate. All are having this standard formulas. So integral of x is what? X square by 2. Integration of 1 by x is what? Basic formula. Last class I've given you. Remember, given all the list of formulas here. Last class you've seen. Log of x or log of mod x, I hope. Therefore, this can be expressed as log of x minus. Usually you write log of mod x. No? Mod x represents that x is positive. Assuming
Yes.
that x is positive, we just write it as log of x. So 2 into integral of dx is what? Plus the constant of integration. So this is your solution. You can try this as a homework. Integral of root of x plus 2 by root of x whole square into dx. What is the next question? It is integral of x cube plus 5x minus 4 divided by x square into dx, right? So first we have to simplify in such a way that we get some standard expression to integrate it. So this can be written as, it is integral of, however, you can just split it and just divide each of the term by x square. So we'll be getting x cube by x square minus 5 x square by x square. This is plus minus 4 by x square times of what? Times of dx. I can just cancel out some of the terms here. This x square cancels out. This x square cancels out. One x will be left out. If we try to rewrite this one, it will become integral of x plus, what is that? Only 5 minus 4, 1 by x square. Can we integrate directly 1 by x square? So you can take it in the numerator and write it in the form of x power of minus 2. So that integration becomes easy for you. Times of dx. Or let us try to apply integral for each of the terms. So we'll be getting integral of x into dx plus, apply the integral. 5 is a constant. It will be integral of 5 dx is there. 5 already written outside. We will be getting integral of dx minus 4 is a constant. Apply the integral. It will be integral of x power of minus 2 into dx. So if you try to simplify this one, integral of x will be x square by 2 plus 5 into integral of dx is x minus 4 into. Now again it is in the standard form x power of n. So it will be x power of n, which is minus 2 n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 c, which is nothing but x square by 2 plus minus of 1 divided by minus of 1 plus c. Or further I can simplify this one. This will be equals to x square by 2 plus 5x. Now let me just multiply this minus 1 over here. Minus into minus will become plus 4. Because x power is negative, to make that as positive, I'll write it in the denominator divided by x, right? Plus this constant of integration c. So that will be the required solution.
Yes, sir.
Any questions here? Okay, in the same way, next question. It is integral of, what is that, x cube, right? Plus 3x plus 4 divided by how much? Root x into dx. So once again, as you know that a root represents to the power of half, you can rewrite this as x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by, so this represents x power of half, x power of half into dx. Once again, you have to split it and write down in the form of x cube by x power of half, x cube by x power of half plus 3x by x power of half plus 4 by x power of half times of dx. This can further be simplified and can be written as integral of x cube as it is, x power of plus half, when it goes in the numerator becomes x power of minus of, plus 3 into x as it is, it becomes x power of minus half plus 4 x power of minus of half times of dx. So as you know, when the bases are equal, powers can be added. So it becomes x power of what? 3 minus 1 by 2. Or this simplification you can do in the working column and write the value here. If you want, you can avoid this step just by simplifying in the working column. But however, I'm writing this one. Over here you have 3 x power of 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 x power of minus 1 by 2 into dx. Can you just subtract this one? Let me know what is this power values. Can you try this one? You got these powers 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So now when you use the formula, or it is better you write down one more step, x power of 5 by 2 times of dx. You be trying it. You can verify the answer later on. Just be writing the answer here. You can verify your answer. I've written it on the board. Okay, but we need to simplify this one. We need to finalize this one. So 7 by 2, if I take it in the numerator, becomes 2 by 7 x power of 7 by 2. However, you are having this 3 and 3, no? This 3 and 3 will cancel out. And here you're left out with 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2, when you take it in the numerator, becomes 2. So 2 by 1 or 2, x power of 3 by 2. And here 1 by 2, if we get in the numerator, becomes 2 by 2 times of 4 would become 8. 8 x power of half plus the constant c. Are you getting this solution? Same solution? Fine. Any questions, any doubts in this one? Integral of 1 minus x root of x into dx. So this can be written as integral of this 1 minus x. Root always represents power half dx. So now if you just try to simplify this one, it is integral of, you multiply this x power of half inside. So 1 into x power of half will be x power of half minus, again it is x into x power of half, this times of dx, or this will be equals to, you can further simplify, this is x power of half minus, now this represents x power of 1, so it is x. So if you want, you can write it directly itself, right? X power of what you have, 1 plus half. So what will be getting x power of? So the simplification, that calculation, you can do it in the working column. So we'll be getting 3 by 2 times of dx. Now apply the integral individually for each of the term. Integral of x power of 1 by 2 times of dx minus integral of x power of 3 by 2 times of dx. So again, just using this standard formula of integral of x power of n will be equals to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, the constant of integration, c. So using this formula, you'll be getting x power of half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 minus, it is x power of 3 by 2 is there. It becomes 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. Or further, if you try to simplify this one, it is x power of 1 by 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x power of 3 by 2 plus 1 will be how much? 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus the constant of integration c. Or 3 by 2 can be rewritten as 2 by 3 if you are taking the numerator. So it becomes x power of 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5 x power of 5 by plus the constant of integration c.